which issue. So I thought some basic issue, I must discuss some basic issue with our students and scholars. So I will not tell the topic, let the topic come in between, of my discussion. You see, when the Center for Adult and Lifelong Learning was started in the university system in 1977, this was with the policy of the University Grants Commission, where the extension was accepted as the third dimension of the university system. तीसरा आयाम, शिक्षा के तीसरा आयाम, extension. We all know teaching and research, need not to repeat. In this system, when the Center for Adult Education was started, the primary need was eradication of illiteracy, निरक्षरता. आज भी विश्व में हम सबसे ज्यादा निरक्षर हैं, even today in 21st century. तो बेसिक रूप से when this center or cell started as part of the extension education, तो एडल्ट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम आया एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर के रूप में, where the college student were the instructor, उनके ऊपर सुपरवाइजर लुकिंग आफ्टर, उससे ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर इन द डिपार्टमेंट, देन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर एंड द डायरेक्टर इज द हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट. दिस एडल्ट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम जो कम्युनिटी बेस्ड एडल्ट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम था, जिसको आप सेंटर बेस्ड एडल्ट एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम कहते थे, इन विच यू हैव एरिया डेवलपमेंट अप्रोच, उसके तहत एक इंस्ट्रक्टर वाज गेटिंग 100 रुपीज और वो 3-3 सेंटर भी चला सकते थे. तो यू सी, और कॉलेजेज में पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन क्लब चलता था थ्रू दिस डिपार्टमेंट ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे. 100 से ऊपर यूनिवर्सिटीज में एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर ऑब्लिक सेल थे. एंड देन इन ईच कॉलेज पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन क्लब में इनिशियली एट दैट टाइम वी वर टॉकिंग, अभी 77-80 की बात हो रही है, यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमीशन 3000 देती थी पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन क्लब के लिए फॉर को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. बाद में ये 5000 हो गया. एन एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर, यू नो, आफ्टर डूइंग द पोस्ट मास्टर्स डिप्लोमा इन फर्स्ट बैच इन एडल्ट एजुकेशन in 1984 from this department when it became the full-fledged department. So I started as a part-time supervisor looking after the centers at the community level, Nehru Vihar, Gopalpur, Wazirabad. लेकिन why I am talking today, the issue is आज क्यों बात करते हैं, क्योंकि जो टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे वो इससे लिंक है. दिस इज why I am talking. So, by and large, up to 1988, this center-based adult education failed. सक्सेस नहीं हो पाया. यानी एडल्ट एजुकेशन जो आज आप यूनिवर्सिटी बेस्ड देख रहे हैं, वो अब जो गवर्नमेंट को 1988 में नेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन के द्वारा गया, साक्षर भारत आया, it was by the University Grants Commission through the department or centers of adult education. Those who have newly joined, you may not be knowing. और यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमीशन फंडिंग देती थी, जिसमें कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट इंस्ट्रक्टर होते थे और उनको पार्ट टाइम 100 रुपए, 200, 300 रुपए मिलते थे टू रन द एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर. बट यू सी, इंटरेस्टिंगली आप ये देखें कि जो 1988 का ब्यूरोक्रेटिक बेस्ड एडल्ट एजुकेशन था, वो तो चला, साक्षर भारत चला, ब्यूरोक्रेटिक बेस्ड, डायरेक्टर जनरल नेशनल लिटरेसी मिशन, but the University Grants Commission based adult education program of the university system failed. We do not have the researches to show, छोटा छोटा प्रयास हुआ कि why it failed. ज्यादा हमारे पास रिसर्च नहीं है दिखाने के लिए. जो आज हम बात करेंगे, बाय एंड लार्ज हम वो इसके फेल होने की वजह को हम डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. तो you know why it failed when we discuss. Now I introduce a person who was basically a American adult education. आप में से कुछ लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा, पढ़ा भी होगा. I am introducing sorry, Malcolm Knowles. Malcolm S. Knowles, who was born in 1913, an American adult educator. उन्होंने एक थ्योरी दिया जिस पर बाय एंड लार्ज आज हमारा सेशन डिपेंड करेगा. वो एसडीएल है. एसडीएल, व्हाट इज एसडीएल? सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग. सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग. तो माय टुडेज सेशन is based on SDL. What is SDL? Self-directed learning. Why it is important कि भाई आज suddenly I started talking about self-directed learning? Reason being, if you see the outcome-based content or curriculum of the University Grants Commission, if you see the new education policy 2020, you will be able to know that the new education policy 2020, the learning outcome based content or curriculum starting at undergraduate level, all depends upon what you call self-directed learning. What is self-directed learning? I cite again one example. I organize 10 to 12 research methodology course in the university system. 7 दिन का, 10 दिन का, 12 दिन का, with the help of Indian Council of Social Science Research. You know, earlier when I was in the Kota cabin near zoology department, while organizing one research methodology course, तो उसमें you see, no, the minimum qualification of entering in a course of research methodology was postgraduate with 55 न भी हो तो postgraduate तो minimum होना चाहिए. It was for the teachers, it was for the what you call postgraduate students or research scholars, not for the, but you know what happened? A student of final year of Sri Ram College of Commerce came to me, कोटा केबिन में आ जाता था, एंड यू सर मैं भी अटेंड करूंगा. भाई ये तो आईसीएसआर का फॉर रिसर्चर्स एंड टीचर्स के लिए. नहीं सर, मैं किसी कोने में बैठ जाऊंगा, कुर्सी नहीं होगी तो कोने में खड़ा रहूंगा सर, जो पैसा होगा वो दे दूंगा. अरे भाई ये तो आईसीएसआर का है, उसके फंडिंग से है, हम आपको एंटर नहीं करा सकते. दिस इज नॉट फॉर अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट. हाँ सर नहीं, आप किसी तरह, मैं नीचे बैठ जाऊंगा. ही वॉज सो मोटिवेटेड एंड ही came so many times कि I had no answer कि भाई क्या करें. you know, तो हमने उनको कह दिया चलो आप बैठ जाओ, एंटर कर लो, कोई बात नहीं, चलो देखेंगे. तो हमने प्रोटोकॉल को तोड़ के हमने कहा लेकिन इट मे बी दैट आई विल नॉट एबल टू गिव यू सर्टिफिकेट. सर कोई बात नहीं, मैं सर्टिफिकेट के लिए नहीं आया हूं, नो प्रॉब्लम, लर्निंग के लिए आया हूं. वेरी गुड. तो आ गए. you know, one anthropologist, our current vice chancellor is from anthropology department, one anthropologist who was a renowned research methodology expert, unfortunately he died. His name was Professor Vinay Srivastava. His book ethnographic research is a very important book which I used to recommend. कई chapters recommend करता हूँ, published by Oxford University. Field work ethnography, I think title is field work ethnography, edited by Professor Vinay Srivastava. and especially one chapter I recommend by Meenakshi Thapan, a renowned sociologist and educationist, जिनका PhD ऋषि वैली स्कूल के ऊपर था. तो देयर वाज वन चैप्टर ऑन दैट आई यूज्ड टू गिव टू रिसर्च स्कॉलर आल्सो कि इसको देखो, पढ़ो और इसको समझने की कोशिश करो. So then you see Professor Vinay Srivastav, after taking his session, he was starting his session at 9 a.m. और 9 से 1 बजे तक लगातार लेते थे वो क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी का. After taking his session, you see what you see, he came to me, Professor Vinay Srivastav, और over a cup of tea said, "Yeah, Rajesh, ये तुमने क्या किया? You have also enrolled a undergraduate student. इसके लिए ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि आई एम ए ICSR रेफरी ऑल्सो. I have to write that he has enrolled a one undergraduate student." Then I told the story कि भाई मैंने उसको कैसे रखा, क्या वजह थी. At that time perhaps I could not convince. लेकिन जब प्रोफेसर दिनेश सिंह जी के टाइम पे ये अंतर्ध्वनि आया और जब ऐसा आया कि मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी रिसर्चेज में आपको अंडर ग्रेजुएट लेवल के लोगों को भी जोड़ना है, पीजी के स्टूडेंट को भी जोड़ना है, रिसर्च को भी जोड़ना है, तो मुझे आंसर मिला उस व्यक्ति से जिसकी आज मैं चर्चा कर रहा हूं. हु? Malcolm S. Knowles, the American adult educator. What he says? Self-directed learning. You know, we may be enrolled in MPhil and PhD. We do not know why we are enrolled. Either we are enrolled to get the JRF, SRF, या चलो 8,000 कुछ मिल जाएगा, या we are a self-directed learner to really undertake the researches. क्या हम डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के लिए इनरोल्ड है या रियली हमें इंटरेस्ट है लर्निंग में, यू नो. और फिर मैं लिंक करता हूं कम्युनिटी बेस्ड के लिए. जब इंस्ट्रक्टर जाते थे कॉलेजेस में, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, दे यूज्ड टू से कि भाई आई एम एन एडल्ट पर्सन, हमें पढ़ाने से क्या फायदा है, हम तो ऑलरेडी वी आर ऑलरेडी एजुकेटेड, वी डू नॉट नीड यू नो एजुकेशन. तो आप यू जस्ट एजुकेट द चाइल्ड. तो जो हमारे कॉलेज के इंस्ट्रक्टर थे, दे वर नॉट नोइंग कि हम उनको क्या कहें. यानी उनको आपको मोटिवेट करना था कि व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एडल्ट लर्निंग. और जो माल्कम नॉल्स ने इस कमी को दूर करने के लिए कि इवन अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट might have inclination towards research और a PhD scholar may not be motivated. चलो एक रिसर्च हो जाएगा तो हमें टीचिंग में फायदा हो जाएगा, चलो एक रिसर्च होगा स्कॉलरशिप तो मिलता रहेगा, चलो कोई काम नहीं है 8,000 तो मिलेगा, नॉन नेट फेलोशिप तो मिलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ तरह कर लेंगे, ठीक है. तो दैट व्हाई वी आर इनरोल्ड, आर वी ए सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्नर एंड you know Malcolm Knowles talks about. अगर नहीं है तो then andragogy is not being completed. You see, in andragogy की जब बात माल्कम नॉल्स ने SDL में किया, सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग में, तो then he said कि भाई it should be a self concept. आज लॉकडाउन का टाइम है, we do not know what the students and scholar all are doing. Are we really linked with the teaching or learning? या what we are doing? ये जो कुछ भी है हमारे ऊपर है. Why? Because हम एज ए सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड एडल्ट के रूप में we have to understand कि हम अपने आप को समझते हैं. Nobody can be without the motivation. You can inculcate learning. That is what Malcolm Knowles said कि लर्निंग किसी पर इम्पोज नहीं कर सकते, because they are not the child. ठीक है. तो you cannot do the guided learning. It is a self-directed learning. That is what Malcolm Knowles talked about, a self concept. The new education policy provides focus on Malcolm Knowles' theory of self concept of andragogy. They have a experiential learning. An adult population might be farmers, might be housewife, might be vegetable vendors, because more than 90% are in unorganized sector. They must be doing something for their livelihood. Once they are doing something for their livelihood, what is required is that they have a vast experiences. So once we go for teaching learning, we must understand that we are encountering a population. हम उस पॉपुलेशन के साथ हैं जिसके पास की एक्सपीरियंस है, यानी एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, सेल्फ कंसेप्ट, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग एंड रेडीनेस टू लर्न. अरे कोई लिंक दे दिया, टीचर ने दे दिया, सर ने दे दिया, चलो किसी तरह अपना म्यूट अनम्यूट होके काम चला लेंगे, दिखा देंगे कि आई एम हियर, और हम जो है अपने आप से जुड़ के हम इस तरह काम चला लेंगे. तो रेडीनेस टू लर्न, भाई ये जो लॉकडाउन का पीरियड है, इस पीरियड को हम एक वर्च्यू के रूप में, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी के रूप में हम किस तरह लर्निंग को करते हैं, लर्निंग को बढ़ाते हैं. रेडीनेस टू लर्न हमारे अंदर है कि नहीं? इफ वी आर नॉट रेडी टू लर्न, if you are not motivated to learn, nobody, Malcolm Knowles says कि nobody can get your learning started. Why? Unless you are motivated to learn. So readiness to learn is a very, very important area. Internal motivation. Now, अरे हेड सर ने कह दिया, टीचर ने कह दिया अटेंडेंस नहीं मिलेगा, इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन में नहीं बैठने देंगे, चलो क्लास कर लेते हैं. बताता है सर प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कोविड हो गया था, ये हो गया था, वो हो गया था. कई स्टाफ हैं, ठीक है ना, सरकारी सिस्टम में, वो कोविड के नाम पर महीनों महीने गायब है. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि इंटरनल मोटिवेशन नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, प्रिंसिपल और हेड इज एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन. एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन से नहीं होता. लर्निंग कैन हैपन only when you are internally motivated. It is not enough that you are enrolled in PhD. It is not enough that you are enrolled in master degree or MPhil degree. Whether you are internally motivated to learn or not, nobody can get you motivated to learn unless you are internally motivated. I do not say, Malcolm S. Knowles says in the concept, the various 6 concept of learning, that internal motivation. You go to the community, adult population, जो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को कहा कि भाई मैं तो एडल्ट हो गया, मुझे पढ़ने की क्या, अरे तो मैं 40 साल का हूं, 45 साल को, पढ़ने की क्या बात है. टुडे द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, आउटकम बेस्ड लर्निंग क्या कहता है? लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग. इवन एट द एज ऑफ 60 ए पर्सन रिटायर्स, या जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में उनके पास तो जॉब ही नहीं है, तो क्या रिटायर होंगे? उनको काम तभी मिलेगा. देखिए अभी लॉकडाउन का टाइम है. व्हेन आई हैड गॉन टू यस्टरडे मार्केट, तो देख रहा था जो खाने पीने का सामान है या कुछ ऐसा चीज है, वहां पर लोग अंधाधुंध टूटे पड़े थे सामान ले. तो सवाल है कहां पर क्या है, क्या अवेलेबल नहीं है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो लोगों को ये जानने का अधिकार है. माल्कम नॉल्स ने कहा व्हाई दे नीड टू नो, मुझे क्यों पढ़ना है? अरे एक पीएचडी डिग्री होगी तो कहीं ना कहीं कोई पॉलिटिकल सेटिंग कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, तो कुछ ना कुछ काम मिल ही जाएगा हमको. ठीक है, अरे पता है मैं यहाँ जुड़ा हूं, मैं वहां जुड़ा हूं. नहीं, तो व्हाई दे नीड टू नो? तो अनलेस दे आर नॉट मोटिवेटेड, they are not able to learn. So internal motivation is very problem centric learning. कि भाई डिस्कस क्या कर रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. बेसिक रिसर्च क्वेश्चन क्या है? तो बेसिक रिसर्च क्वेश्चन है सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस, which Malcolm Knowles talks in adult learning. In adult learning, the motivational theory, what he talked about is about the assumptions of SDL. What is SDL? Self-directed learning. Independent self-concept. We are developing independent self concept, even at the undergraduate level. अगर आप आउटकम बेस्ड लर्निंग देखें, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी देखें, तो उनको कहा जाता है कि भाई ओपन डिस्टेंस लर्निंग मोड से, ऑडियो विजुअल मोड से, ई पाठशाला से, स्वयं से, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस से, व्हाट यू हैव टू गेट इज ए इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग के माध्यम से आपको लर्निंग को कैन यू हैव टू लर्न सो दैट can direct him or her for learning because you have a vast life experiences. जो एडल्ट लर्निंग था, सेंटर बेस्ड एडल्ट एजुकेशन था, at that time when I was there as a student, as a supervisor, I was not understanding this self-directed learning. I was not understanding, the learners were not understanding college level कि भाई जिस कम्युनिटी में जिनको आप इलिटरेट पॉपुलेशन कहते हैं, दे हैव ए वास्ट रिजर्वायर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, दे हैव द वास्ट रिजर्वायर ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन. तो हमें उनका एडवांटेज लेना है. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना था कि लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस हैज ए रिच रिजर्वायर ऑफ लर्निंग का, जो माल्कम नॉल्स ने कहा, उसका एडवांटेज लेना था. चेंजिंग लर्निंग नीड्स एज ए self direction, self situation. Learning needs are always changing, learning situation are always changing as per the social demand, whether the people are aware about or not. Problem centered and application of knowledge. What we do, Malcolm Knowles says that we apply the knowledge in the different situation so that the motivation can be there, motivation for learning. What we say that we are enrolled in master degree, in MPhil or PhD, but are we really motivated to learn? Have we seen the different website? Have we seen the e-learning? Have we seen the EPG Pathshala of adult education, which is available online? Have we searched what are the learning available for us? Is a very important motivation to learn. So andragogy is used by in Eastern Europe and other parts by Malcolm Knowles in such a way that it becomes the very important issue of learning, you see. When in adult education, you see, a self-directed adult learning is being used. It is used in variety of terminologies. जैसे हम कहते हैं adult learning project, self-planning, self-learning, independent study, or the new term that we use is lifelong learning. So, is a SDL, yani self-directed learning, is a individual diagnosing their individual needs. We all have individual learning needs. Malcolm says, we all have individual learning needs. We all are in a different wavelength of learning. We have a different concept or wavelength of learning. So we may be slow learner, we may be fast learner. So each need to be engaged in the learning process as per our needs of learning. And we are different in the learning needs, each according to individual learning needs. That is what Malcolm says is the main educator behind the theory of adult education, the motivational learning behind the theory of knowledge of adult education, he used to say. SDL is called learning by oneself. Self-directed learning क्या है? Learning by oneself. आप बहुत सी किताबें, बहुत सी मोटिवेशनल बुक्स, बहुत सी पर्सनालिटीज के विषय में खुद ही पढ़ते हैं। Why? Because you are motivated towards the learning, towards self-development. You know, formulation of your own learning needs. Why? Because learning is by action, learning is by creation, you know. So different kind of a situation is created to enhance the ability of learners. जो learners हैं उनकी क्रिएटिविटी को हमें बढ़ाना है, इनहेंस करना है, so that to become a self determination of learning, to foster transformational learning. हम लर्निंग क्यों करते हैं? वी अंडरटेक लर्निंग जिससे हमारे अंदर सेल्फ में एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो और दूसरा हमें सोसाइटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो. We as an individual learn, Malcolm says, because we need to change ourselves, change in our perception. So changing our perception and also changing in the societal perception is the felt learning needs, to foster transformational learning from individual to the society, to promote emancipation. Emancipation is a part of learning theory, जहां हमें किसी चीज से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्लेवरी से इमेंसिपेशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इलिटरेसी से इमेंसिपेशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आईसीटी एनेबल अगर हमारे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं तो उससे इमेंसिपेशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लर्निंग नीड, डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ लर्निंग नीड्स में अगर हमें कोई लोकना है तो उससे यानी डिफरेंट सिचुएशन में हमको इमेंसिपेट करना है, सो दैट वी एक्सेलरेट द पेस ऑफ लर्निंग so far as the integrated part of SDL, self-directed learning, can be motivated. Motivation of learning, जब हम बात करते हैं, we already told you, it may be internal, it may be external. लेकिन जो external है, it does not, external क्या है? Principal, head of department, vice chancellor, by 75% attendance compulsory is a external force. ठीक है? 5 assignment compulsory. You are late in the class, you are not allowed to enter. You are late in joining you are not allowed. What is all these things? All these things are done to externally motivate you for learning. लेकिन Malcolm said this does not work. I already explained. उन्होंने कहा unless we are externally motivated to learn, we are not in a position to accelerate the pace of our individual learning to the effectiveness of knowledge that is coming from the within. Learning from the teachers, even the Paulo Freire says, does not take place unless we are in a critical thinking mode. We are in a what you call dialogue mode. If we are only, what we say, use them as the depository of knowledge, जो पोलो फेरी ने कहा कि एम्पटी पासबुक की तरह एक डिपोजिटरी ऑफ नॉलेज की तरह अगर उनको आप यूज करते हैं तो दैट इज नॉट सक्सेसफुल. व्हाट इज सक्सेसफुल इज अ क्रिटिकल डायलॉग, इज ए पार्टिसिपेशन, इज ए एक्शन, एंड दिस इज व्हाई Paulo Freire talks about the praxis. Praxis is word and action. We have word also. We are not in the culture of silence, and we are using these words in action, reflection, creation, and emancipation, so that the entire learning process takes place. When this self-directed learning came in Europe, in the Eastern Europe, in the Western Europe, several parts of the Europe and USA, because Malcolm Knowles was from USA, 17 countries, 17 एक साथ used this as part of researches, showed a strong positive vibration for researches on self-directed learning. Self-directed learning also for social and economic participation. Why? Because Malcolm says time to time the learning needs will change. Why needs will change? Learning needs will change according to the societal needs, according to the economic situation. You see, there was a time where not in developing countries, but the developed country, there was pressure for the government jobs. कि भाई government job, सरकारी job, all kind of a thing, एक set pattern of jobs, लेकिन in the changing paradigm, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक चेंजेज में आप जो आईसीटी बेस्ड लर्निंग है, जो आपको सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं, जो आपको डाटा स्किल्स हैं, जो आपको कोडिंग स्किल्स हैं, जो आपको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के स्किल्स हैं, दे आर रिक्वायर्ड मोर देन what earlier it was required. Why? Because of the socio-economic development situation of the globe. We are the part and parcel of World Trade Organization, WTO. And in the changing paradigm, learning needs have changed. क्यों चेंज हुआ? सोशियो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन के लिए. और अगर सोशियो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन पैराडाइम को हम नहीं समझेंगे, जो हमें न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी कहता है, हम पुराने ट्रेडिशनल मोड में रहेंगे और हम एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेज के द्वारा लर्निंग करेंगे, तो माल्कम नॉल्स कहता है कि देन यू विल फेल, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द सोशियो इकोनॉमिक रियलिटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन. सो लर्निंग, द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी सेज हमारा आत्मनिर्भर भारत, all these things are there. Why? To make you self-sufficient. This is why you see there will be a session of Professor Soren August Ellerus, where he will be talking about from employment to employability. It is not the employment, it is the employability now. Why? Because of the changing socio-economic paradigm that Malcolm Knowles talks in SDL, self-directed learning. So self-directed learning for emancipation, for transformation, for participation, for action, for internal motivation, so that andragogy and self-directed learning has several pillars of learning, several pillars. जैसे कि यूनेस्को ने आपको 4 pillars of learning की बात की, which we discussed. You might be aware about that. जो learning to be, the book of 1972 यूनेस्को के learning to be में बात किया. learning to know, learning to be, learning to do, and learning to live together. Learning to do, learning to be, learning to know, and learning to live together. That learning to be book talked to you in 1972 of UNESCO. So these things are accumulated in the SDL as part of the Malcolm Knowles process of learning. Why? Because you are a independent self-directed learning. We all are self-quarantile. We all are in a self-directional mode where we learn according to our own choices, not by external forces. Why? Because as an adult, we have a learning as per the problem-solving situation. Life experiences has a rich reservoir of learning, which we talked about, because experiential learning, changing learning needs in the social situation. We told that there is a change in the societal perception, there is a change in the economic environment. So as per the change in the social situation, as per the change in the economic situation, in the paradigm, we will have to understand the problem centric application of knowledge and use of knowledge in such a situation that the learning takes place. Motivation to learn is a very important thing Malcolm talks about. Learning cannot be given unless you are motivated to learn. So andragogy is a need to understand a paradigm of learning, which paradigm is a very, very important part of learning. So I again repeat that Malcolm Knowles talks about six concepts of learning. What are the six concepts of learning? Is a self-conceptual learning, is the experiential learning. There are experiential learning centers. When myself and Professor Dikshit were there in a research methodology course in Mumbai, we were there for 3 days in a experiential learning center in between Maharashtra to Pune. The center run by a Padma Shri person of a Mumbai. The entire place was called in a natural place was called a experiential learning center. So in the experiential learning center we were told to use of our own vast knowledge or the experiences in the learning process, and it was said it is possible only when we are ready to learn. So these things are very, very important paradigm in problem solving. So what we wanted to say today in a nutshell, I will not keep my session very big. In 5 to 7 minutes, just I will wind up. What we wanted to say that our center, which began its journey from community based adult education with the support of adult education and population education clubs in the colleges, and later on it became population education center, resource center, which were given by the University Grants Commission with the support of United Nations Fund for Population Activities from 1988 to 2001. It began in 1988. The Population Education Club also. Club started in 1983. Population Education Resource Center started in 1988. And the last thing that we have done in 2201 was a national level research given by the University Grants Commission on the effectiveness of counseling services in higher education. So, from that period, we have started the counseling services. So, from adult education, population education clubs, counseling services to the theory of Malcolm Knowles self directed learning. What was the linkages? Linkages you see in new education policy 2020, linkages you see in SDG goals 2030, social development goals 2030. All these linkages which you see in the outcome based of learning of University Grants Commission, you see that lifelong learning, self-directed learning, motivational learning, participation, participatory learning. What Malcolm Knowles talked about is the concept and theory of our institution, of our department, so that a self-motivational learning, self-motivational courses can be part and parcel of the society. So far as the those who are the research scholars who are linked for the purpose of the evaluation for them, it becomes important that difference between andragogy and pedagogy, you see. if you are in Central Institute of Education, which prepares you for B.Ed and M.Ed, philosophically based on a pedagogical approach, art and science of teaching the child. Art and science of teaching the child is the pedagogy. Art and science of teaching the adult is andragogy. So today we talked about art and science of teaching an adult. The propounder was basically a German, philosopher, but later on adopted by and large by Malcolm S. Knowles, who contributed a lot in the adult learning theory, who also wrote how adult learns. Lot many things he wrote about SDL, self-directed learning. So our focus of learning in the time of what you call COVID-19 is the importance of Malcolm Knowles' self-directed learning, motivational learning is very, very important, is very, very pertinent, because you see, we all have to understand this paradigm in an individual context, because as per Malcolm Knowles, we all are a self-directed learner, which directly the philosophy, our institution, our department, throughout all India level, adult and lifelong learning adopts, and based on which the new education policy currently implemented. So, not further explaining, I hope my purpose was today to explain the personality Malcolm S. Knowles, who is a very important theory propounder of adult education, of andragogy, which becomes a very, very important, pertinent. And when I was there for 4-day training program with the skill ministry, where I got a certificate by examination also at this stage, and there 90% was minimum to score in that, So I participated 4 day, and I was surprised to know that in 1 day and a half session, the Malcolm S. Knowles, all the andragogy was explained in detail. So even in the skill, it was explained in detail, because it was part and parcel of the societal and economic need kind of a thing. So this philosophical understanding of SDL, self-directed learning, becomes very important, because it is a motivational learning. I try to explain, if you have quickly anything to explain, please. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody wish to ask anything not related to those, about anything? Uh, Rameshwar? uh, ठीक है. So it was the thinker that we discussed, and I suggest that maybe I will see that if some materials we can share in course of time about the andragogy and pedagogy. So today's session was based on andragogy, which I wish to talk about. तो इस संबंध में कुछ अगर और पूछना हो, कुछ कहना हो, तो one can share, or any issue we can. What I can say, if you do not have to say anything, कि in this time of COVID-19, we all have to take all safety measures for our health. What we say, जान है तो जहान है, जान है तो जहान है. So our utmost priority for all of us is our health, and we do not always 24 hours think about we take all precautions, we take all safety, but what we think about our family, about our peers, about our social situation, and also the time available to us. We become Malcolm Knowles self-directed learning, and this time is used for learning so that the opportunity can be used in that direction. Yeah. ठीक है रामेश्वर. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you do not have to add anything, you can ask me any question later on also, or we will give you opportunity to provide you such kind of a situation. Thank you. Thanks a lot.